Welcome back to A Future Fuel, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive innovation and performance. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Camry, a model that continues to prove why it remains a benchmark in the midsize sedan segment. The Camry is no stranger to setting standards, and the 2025 iteration takes things a notch higher. Toyota has combined cutting-edge design, advanced technology, and efficient performance to craft a vehicle that's as reliable as ever, but now even more exciting. Let's break down what makes this latest Camry a game-changer. Bold new design? The 2025 Toyota Camry embraces a more striking and aerodynamic design language. Up front, it features a sleeker grille and sharper LED headlights that give it a commanding presence on the road. The sculpted sides and flowing lines are not only stylish but also functional, enhancing aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency. At the back, the Camry sports redesigned taillights with a futuristic flair, along with dual exhausts on sportier trims for a dynamic finish. And for those who love personalization, the 2025 Camry comes in a variety of vibrant new colors and optional two-tone paint schemes. Why interior comfort and innovation? Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that feels both premium and intuitive. High-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and meticulous attention to detail create an environment of sophistication. Toyota has prioritized comfort, offering plush seating with available leather upholstery, multi-zone climate control, and increased legroom for rear passengers. The centerpiece of the interior is the all-new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa, ensuring you stay connected effortlessly. Plus, with the available 10-inch head-up display and a premium JBL audio system, every drive feels immersive. Performance that delivers? Under the hood, the 2025 Camry offers a choice of powertrains to cater to every driver's preference. The base models feature a refined 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and efficient performance. For those craving more power, the available 3.5-liter V6 engine generates an exhilarating 301 horsepower, making highway merging and passing a breeze. Hybrid enthusiasts will be thrilled with Toyota's latest hybrid setup, which pairs a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor for exceptional fuel economy without compromising performance. The hybrid system now offers a combined output of over 215 horsepower, making it one of the most balanced options in the segment. Toyota has also made improvements to the suspension and steering, resulting in a more responsive and composed ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the 2025 Camry feels agile, stable, and fun to drive. State-of-the-art safety? Safety has always been a cornerstone of the Camry, and the 2025 model continues this tradition with the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense. This suite of advanced driver assist technologies includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. New for 2025 is the addition of a 360-degree camera system and traffic jam assist, which takes the stress out of slow-moving traffic. With these features, the Camry ensures peace of mind for you and your passengers. Efficiency and sustainability. In a world moving towards greener transportation, the 2025 Camry stands out as a responsible choice. The hybrid variant boasts an impressive fuel economy of up to 52 miles per gallon combined, making it a leader in its class. Toyota has also incorporated sustainable materials into the vehicle's construction, aligning with the company's commitment to a cleaner future. Pricing and trim options? The 2025 Toyota Camry comes in a variety of trims, from the value-packed LE to the sporty SE and luxurious XLE. For those wanting a truly dynamic experience, the TRD trim offers sport-tuned suspension, bold styling, and exclusive features. Starting prices are expected to remain competitive, with the base model priced around $26,500 and a hybrid starting at approximately $28,500, and fully loaded trims, such as the DW72 ACDC Mach O or TRD, may reach up to $40,000 and final thoughts. The 2025 Toyota Camry is more than just a midsize sedan. It's a testament to Toyota's ability to evolve and innovate while staying true to its legacy of reliability and value. Whether you're looking for style, performance, efficiency, or advanced technology, the Camry has it all. Thanks for watching Future Fuel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of automobiles. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the 2025 Toyota Camry. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.